Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some fiberglass welding covers, right? XL, large and XL. I guess these are them here. So this is what you got here. You have this size, and then you have a larger size here. And so these are little welding covers for your hands or whatever you want to do. It looks like you can just kind of, I guess you could probably even cut them to length or whatever if you wanted to put them on your fingers or hands or whatever to be able to um, you know, keep your stuff, without getting burned. But there for that, or you could put it over some devices or whatever that you don't want to get burned. So it's kind of fiberglass, and they are good. They're flexible and they're strong and heavy duty. And you can see here they are thick and has a nice good cavity for it there. So these are cool. So these are good. So if you need some nice fiberglass heavy duty, so these will be kind of like, fire resistant kind of ones here, and what's it called, non-conductive. So cool for welding and whatnot. These are good for you. So I like it. Thumbs up.